And finally, ladies and gentlemen, another song from our songstress this evening, our diva, our classic singer. Ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome and a final welcome for her last song this evening to Ana Pepita Otay, who will be singing the beautiful Tom and farewell song Caltabale. And for most of you will be familiar with the tune, of course, it's a very similar tune to Old Lang Syne, which is sung on New Year's Eve. Ladies and gentlemen, let's warmly welcome Ana Pepita Otay. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for the beautiful talented songstress Ana Pepita Otay with a very appropriate song to include this evening, of course, Caltabale, one of our Tongan traditional farewell songs this evening.